Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway, heading to an 80s party here on the pool deck. Come along with me. Looks like it's going to be fun. That's right, everyone. We are on the NCL Getaway, a huge ship. It has a sister ship called the Breakaway, and we're at an 80s party. They seem to have a party on this pool deck almost every night with a different theme, and again, tonight's the 80s night. Other nights have themes like disco night, and the white party night, and the reggae night. And I gotta tell you, people go all out for these parties. They're, especially the experienced cruisers. They must come on with a ton of luggage. Unlike airlines and other types of travel, they don't charge you per bag. As long as you can fit your luggage in your cabin, you'll be fine. So they must pack a ton of stuff because they wear different outfits for all these different themes. And that's on top of their regular cruise wear. But that's pretty much the die-hard cruise warriors. If you're not into bringing a lot of stuff, just come as you are, that's fine too. My experience has been to pack something white. This way you're good for the white party, and then you can always accessorize to meet the theme of the party. These themed pool parties tend to last about an hour and a half. They start kind of late. They start at around 10 o'clock and go on until about 11:30. They start late because there's just so many other activities going on in the ship a little bit earlier. So this one kind of like wraps up the night, if you will. This particular party is just getting started. It's a little bit quiet right now, but it will get more crowded as we get into the theme of things, if you will. Obviously, all these pool parties are held on the pool deck, also known as the Lido deck, and in case you were wondering, the pool is in fact closed. It must remain lit, just like hotels, I guess, for safety reasons. It has to remain lit all night, but the whirlpools, however, are open, and they will remain open until this party ends. As always with these cruise party videos, I cannot play the music they're actually playing because I run into copyright issues with that. I believe they're playing right now Michael Jackson. Before that was Prince. Again, this is an 80s party, so it's going to be all 80 themed music as well. But I'm doing my best to put some kind of dance music up in the background, so just deal with it, folks. I will say the ship has great DJs, and they really do stick with the theme and pick the best music for those themes. Again, they played Prince earlier, Michael Jackson right now. They're going to play Madonna, they're going to play Cyndi Lauper, maybe some hair metal bands from the 80s and stuff like that. But they really do a great job and get people in the mood. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? And if you're enjoying this Norwegian Getaway 80s pool party video in particular, give it a thumbs up. Subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting attracts YouTube's attention, and they will show it to more people, which really helps the channel out. Thanks for your support, guys. This particular cruise I'm on right now on the Norwegian Getaway was a all-inclusive trip. Everything is included in the price of the ticket, including food, drinks, entertainment, you name it, it's all free, including gratuities. But of course, if you get service above and beyond the call of duty, I would tip that person. It was, I believe, an 8-day, 7-night cruise, Caribbean cruise, including Bermuda, which really isn't part of the Caribbean, but it did include a stop off in Bermuda. I had a great time. And if you're planning a cruise, make sure you check out the cruise playlist here on the New York channel. Not only the Norwegian Getaway, but the Norwegian Gem. There's lots of excursions on that playlist of places that you can go once you're off the ship, and really pretty much an all-inclusive playlist, no pun intended. So check it out if you're planning a cruise. It really helps you out with tips and attractions and food and everything that goes on a cruise line ship. One of the things I liked about NCL is when you woke up, they always had a drink of the day. So that's how I would start my day off. Again, there's no driving or anything, so you're here to enjoy yourself. I'd start my day off with the drink of the day. If I enjoyed it, I'd continue to drink it throughout the day. If I didn't enjoy it, well, of course, I'd just switch to something else. But they weren't just your normal Bloody Mary or a screwdriver. These were fancy schmancy drinks, and they really did a great job. I think it's quite obvious they're playing Michael Jackson's Thriller right now. You know, it's funny, even though I can't play the music in the video, you can pretty much figure out all the songs, like Michael Jackson's Thriller. They were obviously dancing Thriller. And here they're dancing the conga, so it must be the Miami Sound Machine, and of course it is. Hey guys, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath the video you're watching right now. Doing so will help support the channel and will also get you a shout out on a future video here on the New Yawk channel. I appreciate your support. Just like New York City, the Norwegian Getaway is a ship that never sleeps. I started my evening off with a show that they did here. It was a dance show. It was really good. And then I had a couple cocktails at the lobby bar, or the atrium bar, if you will. And then I did a little gambling, and I had a nice dinner. And now I'm at this party. I plan on going back downstairs, doing a little more gambling, and then go to the nightclub. Again, this ship just goes 24/7. Not every place is open 24/7, but there's always some place open and something to do.